Hello everyone, welcome here on TikTok. So here we're going to learn how to properly make a post on your TikTok account before you use that same post for the sponsored ads. Okay, so without wasting any much time, let's just get right into it. So what you do, make sure you have your ad creative in place, ready to go. You have your ad copy, the hashtag ready to go. Okay, remember the ad creative must be very good. It must be top notch, whether it's a flyer or a video. You can pay those guys that make videos for people to run sponsored ads with. You can even reach out to us. We do that as well. It's one of our services which we render. Then for the ad copy, make sure it's well written, it's top notch. Make sure you emphasize on what the people are going to benefit from your product or service, not just introducing them to come and buy or come and order for your service. Okay, so what you do, you click on this plus sign right here, you click on it to open your gallery, and once it's open, what you need to do, you click on this your gallery right here to open it. Here you see your gallery. You can either click on videos if you want to use a video creative. You can use photos, but I want to use flyer, so my flyer is right here. So let me just click on flyer and click next. Now once will often come with it if you're using it. So you can remove that sound. If you want to add another sound, you can add a different sound, but make sure whatever sound you're using, it does not go against their policy. Make sure it's a sound that is regulated here on TikTok so that they won't bring your ads down or bring your post down. Or maybe when you eventually want to run sponsored ads with a post, they will bring it down. They say it goes against their policy. Okay, so I'm not going to add any sound to this flyer. I like it just the way it is. And I'm not going to edit anything. I'm not going to add text. So you can just click on next if you're okay with the flyer. You can see this flyer is about importation training class. You see right there, learn how to import directly from manufacturers from different countries, China, Turkey, Bangladesh, and what have you. So let's just click on next to proceed. Now right here on this page, next thing you should do is to write the ad copy for this post. I often call it ad copy because this post is meant to be used to run sponsored ads with it. So it's just like you write a caption for the creative which you just use. So I have a written ad copy for this. Let me go there and copy it. So this is it. Now remember, your ad copy must be well written, well crafted. You settle down, write a very descriptive, top-notch ad copy for your post, and make sure it's not only describe your service or what you do. Make sure you emphasize on what the people are going to benefit from your product or service. Okay, now I've pasted it right here. Everything about the importation training classes right here is written. What they are going to benefit is there. After writing the ad copy, everything about the business, what you do, what the people are going to benefit, what they will get when they make payment or when they order for your service or product. The next thing is hashtag. Now you see right there, make sure you add hashtag of your business name, just hashtag your business name. Now my company name is GpexSkills Academy, you see right there. Then hashtag about this particular service or the business which you do. My company offers trainings in so many aspects, but this particular one is importation training class. That's why you see right there hashtag importation business, hashtag entrepreneurship, hashtag small business. Now after that, you should also hashtag locations. Now if your business is in Nigeria, just like you deliver nationwide, you should just include the country, which is Nigeria right there. But if it's just within the state, for example within Lagos, just hashtag Lagos. Is that simple? Okay, you see Nigeria TikTok, let me include that. Beyond that, I should also include Ghana TikTok, because my service goes, this particular service goes beyond just Nigeria. Ghanaians also need it. Cameroonians would also be interested in this. Now, beyond the location, you should also hashtag FYP for your page and viral. This is because you'd want this post to be shown in so many pages so that people can engage with it and eventually the post can go viral. Okay, so let's hashtag FYP. FYP is for your page. You see right here, for your page, 7.5 billion posts. Let's hashtag the second FYP that's written in full. You see it right there, for your page. You can as well hashtag viral. You see viral videos. Now, lastly, you would also want to hashtag any trending post at that point in time, any trending hashtag at that point in time. If Wizkid is trending, for example, just hashtag Wizkid. If it's Davido, just hashtag Davido. Any trending topic at that point, just hashtag it. Okay, so once you're done with this, you're done with the ad copy, well written, well crafted, and you're done with the hashtag, then let's proceed to the next. The next, which is location. This is also very important. Like I said, if your business is within the state, for example, Lagos, for example, Port Harcourt, just click on this location and add your location, Port Harcourt. Okay, if your business is within Lagos, just click on it, search for Lagos, you add Lagos. But if your business is the entire country, Nigeria, just, add Nigeria. So I would prefer to add Nigeria. Now, this would help the algorithm to push your ad to everyone around the country if your business is nationwide. Okay, now I'm not going to add any link right here. Everyone can view this post. Make sure it's everyone, not only you. If it's only you, please click on it and change it to everyone. Then you click on more options. Here, you make sure you turn on the comments so that people can comment and review on your ad. Now, if your ad happens to be an AI generated content, please don't forget to turn on this AI generated content. Okay, so once you're done with all this, and you're very much satisfied, make sure you preview it. Now, once you're done with this, you should click on post. Now, let's check if it has reflected. So let's refresh our page, our profile, our account, to see if it has uploaded successfully. So you can see right there, the post has been uploaded successfully. So here is the post. It's on our page. Learn how to import directly from manufacturers. Everything is right there. Do you see the ad copy which we used? Everything is here. You want to start importing directly from manufacturers and build six-figure business? Join GpexSkills Academy. You see the ad copy, everything. Now you see the location right there, Nigeria. So when you're done with this and the post is ready, the next thing is to go and run the sponsored ads. So it's very simple. So that's our next session. So without wasting much time again, let's head on to run the sponsored ads with this particular post. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like this video so it will reach out to as many people out there that needs this content just as you do. Then you subscribe to this channel, you turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when we post our next latest educational video. Thank you very much for this video. Again, my name is Jacob with Gpex. I'll see you in the next video. Bless.